Hello everyone and welcome to this week's short video tutorial on mid-game tactics in Xiangqi. This is based on the free ebook that's available on the World Xiangqi Federation website. The URL is given below. So without further ado, let us start this spot. A quick analysis would show that Red would have the material superiority, 2 chariots, 2 cannons, 2 pawns, a single elephant guard. Black would only have 1 chariot and 1 cannon. A full guard, 3 pawns. But if Black were allowed to move first, he would deliver a check, forcing the king up, another check, forcing the king to move up again, and before retreating, R2 minus 2 for the checkmate. Hence, if Red were to move first, he would win. So how can Red salvage the situation? The first move would be to sacrifice the chariot for a black advisor. A check, another check, and at this point Red would have managed to create a discovered attack situation with his chariot cannon combination. So a5 minus 6 is the only viable move, a series of discovered checks, and now Red would have cleared the path, would have cleared everything in this file. Another discovered check, and the black cannon would be able to block the red chariot in the nick of time. Now the black chariot would not dare to capture the cannon, or the red chariot would capture the black chariot with this discovered check and be assured of winning. So the situation on the board at this point in time would be basically reduced to red's 1 chariot 2 cannon combination versus black's 1 chariot 1 cannon combination, and both would have similar defensive material, but black's situation would be much worse, and red will now can only play r3 equals to 4, r3 minus 4 to protect the cannon, and then slowly maneuver his other pieces across the river for the win. So I hope you've enjoyed this very short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.